Hello and welcome, folks. This is a drink called How to Make Iced Carbonated Coffee, Mandarin and Orange. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug. Now, you get the Mandarin orange sparkling water from this bottle, and you fill it halfway into this mug, and now, last but not least, get this percolator coffee, and you pour it halfway into this mug from this percolator, and there you go, folks. Here is your iced carbonated coffee, Mandarin orange. Thank you for watching, folks. It's served and ready to drink now. Thank you for watching.